Hi all, welcome back to Odoo 15 development tutorials. In this video, we are discussing about how to install theme in Odoo 15. As we all know, themes provide minimal structure and layout. It helps the Odoo users to make their website and Odoo backend modules as very more attractive and elegant. So in this video, let us check how to install a theme Odoo 15 database. And here I am choosing one of the backend theme, that is a Jazzy backend theme, and it is a user-friendly backend theme in Odoo 15 Community Edition, and which is a well-crafted and very effective and then a clear inside theme. So let's check how we can install a theme in our Odoo 15 database. For that, in my add-ons path of modules, I added the Jazzy backend theme module and then run the PyCharm and updated the app list. We can download the backend themes or the frontend themes from the Odoo App Store of theme section. Apply schedule upgrades and then install the Jazzy backend theme. So now the theme get installed and then we can see the changes which happens in this history and then the app menu. And let's go to the apps, which likes a enterprise view where it in the community edition, where the installed apps can be seen, the different app icons can be seen, and also we can search for each apps as like as enterprise in the community edition. And also in the settings, where we are going to settings, from here we can choose a background image and then we can upload it. So I just added a background image and save the record in the res.conf settings. And then at here we can see the background image that we uploaded and then saved will be shown at here. Likewise, we can set the different background images for our database. And also while we go to the settings, from here we can change the app bar background color, app menu text color, nav bar background color, Kanban background color, and the primary border and button hover. So I just changed the app menu text color as from blue to just change it as red and then choose it and then save the record. And here we can So here we can see that each name for the each apps will be changed from a white shade to another shade. Likewise, we can change each things using this theme. Like this, we have different themes which are available in the Odoo App Store, and we can use each themes like this. We can install it in our database and then we can set up the configurations that in each themes. On each themes, each configurations may be different, and then we can make our database as more elegant and attractive.